Welcome to GeorgeWay mathTV.
Well, how will you know that an equation is a function or is not a function? Well, for you to say an equation is a function, it has to look like these right here. And if I say these, I'm talking about these right here. If you see an equation that looks like y equals mx plus b, that's an example, y equals 6x plus 6. That is a function. Or you see another one, again, y equals. So that's another way you can remember. You see y equals again. But this time, it's 8x squared plus c is a function. And that's an example that you see right here. So it's like the same as this, but the x is squared. The fact that is y equals, same as that. One, x is not squared. The other one, x is squared. It's a function. Or you could see ax plus by equals c form. Like an example over there. That is also a function. Or you just have simply x equals ay. That's an example over there too. So whenever you see, again, anything that looks like these right here, please remember that that's the only time you can say that that equation is a function. If they're not looking at like these right here, please, it's not a function. You're probably saying, I really want to have a lot of examples so I can really understand what you're talking about. Which of these equations I should determine which one is a function and which one is not. Okay. Alright. So the first one, I have y equals. It's in that form. The y equals ax squared plus c. So it is in that form. So it is a function. This one is y squared? Nah. It should just be a regular y. So that is not a function. This one is x equals, but for x equals, it should be ay. It's not in that form, x equals ay. So this is not a function. This is in the form the ax plus by equals c. It is in that form. So this is a function. This one also ax plus by equals c form. So this also is a function. This, I have y by itself, and it's equal y equals the ax squared plus c form. So is it a function or not a function? It is a function. What about this one right here? Y squared? Nah, it should just always be a regular y. So it is not a function. And this is x equals, it's not in the form x equals ay. So is it a function or not a function? Is it a function? It is not a function. And that's it. Now is your turn. So again, with this, you just have to keep practicing. Know the rules of how functions look like, then keep practicing. And the more you do it, trust me, you're going to get it, okay? All right.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.